It's a snake. The bottle gourd snake.
All right, let's go.
This is the kung fu bottle gourd. Ready?
I'm gonna eat that thing, look.
This is what you do with a staff. This is called short staff. You go like this. Are you ready?
Yeah. Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Beautiful Garden. Today we are going to show you our August garden tour. So look at the beautiful sunflowers blooming, zinnias blooming, all the beautiful flowers.
Nice sunflowers on Amika. What are these ones called? What are they called?
And also we are going to pick some vegetables.
What is this one called?
Here is one red sunflower.
You gonna pick this one?
No, we're not gonna pick it. We are gonna leave it for the butterflies.
The butterflies
Don't go too close. This one is like gonna be.
And the hummingbird.
So see the butterflies. Sometimes the hummingbird
I don't know if
comes.
that's a butterfly or a bee on Amika. Okay.
Lots of bee. And we're going to pick some vegetables. So we have this big bottle gourd here.
Look at that big old.
So we're gonna pick it.
Why is this thing? I don't even want to ask.
Give me the knife.
I don't even want to ask. Why, Anamika?
So this bottle gourd is like a snake gourd, a kind of snake gourd. So it's,
This is what you call an Ecuador gourd.
I don't know, it's called Ecuador gourd. This is so big. Go little far, otherwise you're not gonna be able to see the hook. So this is how you do it. So you go far.
Huh?
I'm gonna hide under it.
Hide under it.
Snake.
Giant snake. Let's see how tall it is to you. Amiga, this thing is ridiculous. What's this red John on it?
So I'm gonna divide it into 3 parts and give it to
1, 2, 3.
3 friends.
Yes. Can't even fit in the bowl.
No.
What else we got?
So we also have corn. Going to pick some corn here.
That's not ready.
Yeah, this one
Get
is
bigger.
This one is ready because
Our viewers are going to tell us this is too
it came
little.
up, you know, the head.
Too little on.
And I'm gonna get some of the other stuff here. You see this one, okra?
Okras. Yeah, I'm not coming back there. Come show us. Nice okras. Throw it to me. So now we got okras in the house.
We have already some okra picked in the house, so this is another one.
Okra in the house. Throw me one.
No more, I think I already picked others.
Alright. Come on.
Look at this beautiful straw flower.
Okay.
Some
Yep. Alright. Give me like 10 minutes.
peppers.
10, 15. Okay. Alright, man. Do your thing. Later. Alright. And Beautiful Gardens, another episode. We got 4K HD. That means it goes like this. It's like go bro, go fish. We got puppies out back. We got this one. This is called a bottle gourd. See how big it is.
Show some sunflowers.
Here we got sunflowers.
He's using the bottle gourd as his stick.
It's a snake.
Snake. I'm a snake for you.
That's how a snake bites you. It comes up like. So we got boom. We got Cosmos. I don't know what this one's called.
Zinnia.
Zinnia? What kind though?
Red zinnia.
This is red zinnia.
I like it.
It's almost like, it's not like that one, is it? 'Cause that's orange. but
Yeah,
this is
every
red.
color, there is a different color of zinnia.
So what Anamika gave me for my office is a sunflower and the Mexican sunflower, and that's over there. But that one is
That's
still
the
living.
Mexican sunflower.
This is Mexican. Oh, this is. One thing is when I cut this, Anamika cut it actually. I didn't cut it. But it's still actually alive. Like, what was that, a week ago?
Because the sun is just kind of,
Was that a week ago?
Droopy.
Or was that?
this one is beautiful.
Nice, look at this.
Don't go too close. See, all the birds are coming. New birds for the sunflower coming.
Already,
I thought
look
this
at
is
this.
finished and then the new birds.
No,
are
it's
coming.
got these little ones. How about that? So as you can tell, these ones are like dark green. Are they always this dark?
Look at this
Shanta.
cucumber here.
Are you going to pick this one, Anamika?
No, I already have some picked inside the house. You go too close.
And this is
Another
a
bottle
mission
gourd.
accomplished.
And that
This thing, Anamika. So this whole entity wasn't here before. We put these T-posts in with the net, what do you call this? Chicken wire. And now you can just like sit under here with your friends. It's like a secret hideout, right? Just underneath the green. So this is where I hide out at. When I have a long day, I come to my secret hideout. Just come sit with my plants. There's no other place. If I could just isolate this home and turn this into like a couch and a refrigerator and a TV, I would live right here. And then whenever you're hungry, you just get this. You just break off a piece whoosh, and you eat it. And that's the way.
This is a bottle gourd.
This is the life of the Bohemians. So welcome to the Bohemian
There is a
garden.
pumpkin growing on the corner.
There's a pumpkin growing over
Here.
the corner. And it's in a red thing.
Because the squirrel is eating it.
There's a squirrel eats that thing. And you can't stand up in this, right, Anamika?
And I have all sorts of greens growing in this side. And then beans. You can see the beans. And then I have tomatoes. I put on a red thing because the squirrels eat them. More cucumbers. And Luke is hiding under it. Where is Luke? Where is Luke? Where is Luke? Where is Luke?
Oh, you found me. So this bottle gourd comes over the fence and then hangs over. And they like to like eat up on stuff, you know? See these little
There is
wires?
another cucumber hiding here.
See these wires?
What is the wires do, Luke? Can you
I don't know.
describe the wires?
So the wires just grow on anything. They're like telephone wires.
Can
if
you
you remember
talk?
the old cord phones? If you get it on my face, I could tell it. If you remember the old telephone cords?
Tentacles.
They grow like spirally. Brrr. So, see how it just latches onto this? And if I break it, I can. I'm gonna break it.
Don't break it.
Alright, I think that does it for these gardens. So,
More tomato growing over here. This is Roma tomato. And here is marigold. And this is corn. Oh, this is a bird. They always come to eat my sunflower seeds. Look, how do you describe my garden in a nutshell?
in a nutshell, everything is sort of just very colorful. Every once in a while, you get surprise animal. Look at this animal. It's a snake. The bottle gourd snake.